Okay, we have big breaking news coming in. This is related to the fire tragedy that we have seen in a Goa nightclub called Birch. Anjana police has arrested 4 managers from various departments of that club. The club is called Birch by Romeo Lane, and the police are investigating this matter. The owner of the club is also being investigated, and also the Sarpanch of Arpora. The Anjana police has detained and is questioning the Sarpanch Roshan Redkar. As you remember, that a license which bears his signature was issued to this club. Joining us right now is India Today's Anisha Mathur, who is right there in Goa. Anisha, finally it seems an FIR has been registered against the owners, the event organizers, and also the Sarpanch. He has been detained, but there seems to be some commotion as well because of that.
Well, yes, Sanjay, we are trying to get more updates on that. This is happening at the Anjana police station, where the Sarpanch had also been called in for questioning. The supporters of the Sarpanch are apparently creating a ruckus inside the police station, saying that they had in fact raised these issues and that there has to be some accountability. Right now, I'm outside the nightclub Birch, where the local MLA is speaking to the media. Sir,
things are very, very important. Very, very important to see that the nightclub functions without any issues. म्हणजे असे इश्यू जे फायर येता व्हडलो जाला तसो जावचो न्हू, आनी जालो जाल्यार फायर तो इमिडिएटली डावस कसो जातलो. लोकांक इमर्जन्सी एक्झिट्स कितले आसतले, कितले कॅपॅसिटीन कितले इमर्जन्सी एक्झिट आसपाक जाय. धाकटुलो क्लब 150 लोकांचो 2 or 3 इमर्जन्सी, व्हडलो क्लब ताका 8 इमर्जन्सी.
So the statement that is coming in right now from the police, Anjali, is that investigation is ongoing. 4 persons who are managers of various departments at this Birch Club have been arrested. There are also some of the people, this couple who's here, who was caught in the stampede yesterday. They received minor injuries and have now come back here
Anisha,
to get their lost phone and other belongings back. So this has turned into this massive political row. Also, Anjali, if you can give me 10 more seconds with regard to how permissions were given, how this nightclub was allowed to function, all of that under investigation. And we are also expecting a statement from the Chief Minister of Goa by around 6 p.m. today when he holds a press conference. So clearly, the nightclub is still under investigation. The doors are closed with police presence, and there is forensic investigation going on inside.
Right, Anisha. Thank you very much. She is right there outside the nightclub, and the man that you saw on your screens was Michael Lobo. He is the MLA, and he was giving a statement there. But important to note, finally an FIR has been registered against the club owners as well.